Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying your iPhone is up to date and you have your Outlook email and password ready. This saves interruptions. Next, decide whether you need full Exchange sync or only calendar access, because Exchange gives real-time updates and calendar details. Once decided, open Settings, go to Mail, then Accounts, and choose Add Account. Tap Microsoft Exchange or Outlook. Depending on your account type, enter your email address and a clear password, and let the device attempt auto-discovery. After the account authenticates, you must choose what to sync. Tap Calendars so events appear on your iPhone. Once Calendars is enabled, pick which calendar. To show in the Calendar app, and set a default calendar for new events so invites land where you expect. Make sure calendar permissions are allowed, and background app refresh is enabled for Outlook or Mail so changes push through. If using Exchange, accept any security prompts from your organization. This ensures reliable syncing and proper calendar updates. To finish, open the Calendar app and confirm your Outlook events are present. Pull down to refresh and check multiple calendars if you use them. If events don't appear, force a sync by toggling calendars off and back on in Settings Accounts, or remove and re-add the account to reset credentials. Make sure your internet connection and account password are correct, and verify server settings if using manual Exchange or IMAP. Resolving those typically fixes missing events and permission problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.